Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Stubble in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want that light Stubble look? The FaceApp can add it instantly and realistically, and here's how to do it by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. You're gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna make sure to look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor application developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find the application, you're gonna make sure to install it, and after you install it, you're gonna click on open to launch the app. Once you launch the app, you're gonna give it a permission to access your gallery, or you can alternatively take a picture with your camera. So after you do that, either upload your photo or take a picture. You're gonna choose a picture. Then you're gonna go to the facial hair section or the beard section, as you can see from these options right here in the bottom. You're gonna look for the beard section and click on it, and from here you're gonna see a lot of options like the original, which is the original picture, the full beard, the hipster, the shaved, the goatee, the mustache, the grand goatee, the lion, the petit goatee, and the transfer. Now you're gonna make sure to choose Stubble style and apply it and adjust the intensity. Now after that, you're gonna save the result by saving the picture in your device. Also, keep it subtle for realism and use high quality photos and try different stubble levels. Now the stubble is one of the most natural looks. Try it out easily with FaceApp, and if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.